Nike is preparing another clean and versatile release with the upcoming Pegasus Premium in an almost all-black finish for spring 2026. While it is not officially labeled as triple black, the anthracite, smoke gray, and black tones create a sleek dark appearance suitable for both performance and everyday wear. Subtle game royal accents on the tongue branding and midsole add a small pop of color without overpowering the design. The Pegasus Premium is built for comfort, featuring layered cushioning that combines ZoomX foam, responsive air zoom units, and supportive ReactX cushioning underfoot. This setup is designed to deliver soft landings, strong energy return, and stability during long runs or casual use. Its modern silhouette also makes it easy to style beyond running. The popularity of this model was proven when it reached the finals of the 2025 Sneaker of the Year voting. The Nike Pegasus Premium is expected to release in spring 2026 in men's sizes for interested buyers.